Okay, gentlemen, let's not shout over each other. I want to bring in Rajiv Pratap Rudy, who's joined the broadcast. Rajiv Pratap Rudy, MP and national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party with us. Thank you, Mr. Rudy. Let me just come out to you. Mr. Rudy, we are being told that the police is acting biasly simply because three individuals who made speeches which were highly provocative have not been booked as yet.
Rahul, first I must find out, is Ashutosh very unwell? Because today I don't have a television in front of me and I just was concentrating on his shrill. And I feel he needs to be looked after during COVID times. Has the Delhi government or the NDA government manufactured Delhi police? And as an institution, Delhi police has come into existence during Mr. Modi's government. It is not. Delhi police is an institution, and you have to look at an institution for what they have been doing for last 70 years in a very, very difficult location, which is Delhi. And now you have a chief minister there, and you have the prime minister there who's also in Delhi, and all the Supreme Court judges and the judges of the center and the high courts and all the members of the parliament and all the union ministers. You have one of the most professional police forces in the country who is managing the intricacies of managing Delhi. So part A. A charge sheet was there. About 53 people were killed in the riot. We all discussed a charge sheet earlier. Now this is the process of investigation, and if you think these people were wrongly booked,
okay,
well, the court will definitely investigate and have the evidences, and the Delhi police has to prove it. Now, simply to malign or say that A, B and C has not been charge sheeted and nothing has been done, well,
let me
if
ask,
you feel so, the court can take suo moto cognizance.
They can.
So let's suo moto cognizance. So now, why don't you all, the so-called activists, go to the court and say, book them?
But they